Hi, I'm Charles Johnson, and I'd like to go over my nursing career map. Okay, I'm a nurse, and I'm in the United States University RN to BSN program. And I put this first slide here saying I did it backwards because, yeah, I wanted to go to RN school, but first I got a bachelor's in health science with a focus in health education, a master's of business administration at United States University. So I say I did it backwards because I used to get a lot of questions. Why did you do it that way? I think it was at one time I didn't know if I wanted to be a registered nurse, and I just continued my education. And with the bachelor's in health education, it opened a lot of doors, and it kind of went hand in hand with my LVN background. So that's why I did that. And then currently, I'm studying for registered nursing with the BSN program, and I'll talk about how I got started in nursing. Well, in 1997, this is my current path, I started as a home health aide. I would take care of individuals. It's like one of my first jobs out of high school, and I really liked it. But times were hard, and I was young and wanted to make a difference in a different way, and I joined the United States Marine Corps. That's in '99. In 2006, I was out of the Marine Corps for a while, and I decided I'm gonna join the Army National Guard. I had been out for quite some time here, and then I wanted to go ahead and join the National Guard. I didn't spend a lot of time there, but yeah, I joined the National Guard, and then I was also, because it's a reserve unit, I was also doing the certified nursing assistant. I thought about doing medic in the National Guard, but I basically did administration. And then I was out of the National Guard a little while, and I said, hey, I'm going to go to work. And I'm working at customer service, and I get laid off. Okay. Now, I'm walking through the mall in Buffalo, New York, and I come across a table that said licensed vocational nursing. And I go, I just want to be an RN. I don't want to be but mind you, I'm laid off. So I go ahead and I in 2008, I signed up for the program, and I finished in October of 2009, but I don't sit for the boards to 2010. And then I get a lot of experience. I moved to San Diego in 2010, and I come out here. I'm going to work, but I'm working at the hospital doing med surg and LTAC, the long term acute hospital. And I say, wow, let me go to school. And I go to school and I start taking prereqs, but I had been taking college in Buffalo, New York, so I submitted some credits in 2015 and graduated from there. And 2015, I got a bachelor's in health science at United States University. And that really basically included the prereqs for the registered nursing. I always wanted to be a registered nurse, but time didn't permit at this point. And I was really intimidated by the program, so I didn't go at this point. And then I had a newborn baby in 2016, so there was no way I was going. Put that off again. There was no way I was going to school with a newborn baby. But I continued to go to school online because it was something I wanted to do. Get a master's in business administration. I wanted a health administration focus, but the campus had canceled that program at the time, and they didn't have it. So I just got a general business administration degree. In 2020, things, it wasn't 2020, it was actually 2018. Things started looking better. My newborn was no longer a newborn. She was walking and almost talking and able to, we were able to get a babysitter that we trusted. So in 2018, I went to school. And it was a difficult time. I graduated in 2020 from San Diego City College. It was a very hard program, but they prepared me well. So, what are my future plans? Well, I want to start in a progressive care unit. I have a background at Vibra Hospital, which is now Select Hospital in San Diego. It's we did telemetry and basically it's a progressive care unit. So it's really intense. It's hard work, and I was there for 6 years. So I feel like moving into a medical surgical unit would be great for me. Ultimately, I want to be an ER nurse, but I'm still a little rusty on my IV. And in the ER, I feel like I did an ER precept, and I was like, I'm not going to be in the ER with rusty IV skills. So I'm going to gather that together, and then I'm going to get into a medical surgical unit, and then I'm going to go ahead in 2021 or early next year, I'm going to get my bachelor's in nursing. So I want to do really well, in my bachelor's in nursing. It's like my focal point right now. Sometimes I get behind, but I really try to do well in my bachelor's in nursing. So I want possibly Sigma Theta Tau. That's an organization that I've been looking at and eyeballing to show. It shows honors in nursing, so it's something I was looking at. Like, wow, maybe I could do that one day. So in 2022, I like to by then maybe get into transition program as an ER nurse and prove my skills and take care of the ER patient by then. Okay. So what I'm going to be planning to do on my off time, there's some self-improvement I'm really looking forward to doing. I'm starting immediately. And this class has really taught me that self-care is very important. So we're going to try to lose some weight, at least 50 pounds by March of 2021. Starting in March 2021, but by March of 2022. I lose 50 pounds, join a martial arts class, exercise, and continue to explore my nursing theories, since I really was impressed, and I really liked Watson. For one, I really felt like she was speaking to me the whole time, and my background in martial arts originally 20 years ago, Eastern philosophy, different things like that. She really touched me in a way that I was like, wow, it really brought together nursing for me. I mean, before now, I was just being trained the bare necessities of how to care for the patient. But in this class, I really was able to get into Gene Watson's theory of caring. Yeah, I explore other theories, but Gene Watson really stuck with me. Yeah, so I will continue to do that. So let's talk about, I originally, after the dust settled, I have a bachelor's of health education, so I would like to finally sit for that exam soon or one day, hopefully by 2022. So it's a CHES. I don't know. This was my first, and I never sat for the exam. I just, kept on going to school. So certify as a PHN. Now, certifying as a PHN, it's kind of just getting a second license, but you have to get a BSN to do it. So this is why I want to do it, because I want to work with the health. I don't know what I possibly truly want to do, except I want to be an FNP. So you'll see I'll enter the FNP program at United States University within a couple of years, because I want some experience on the floor. I don't want to just be a nurse that's not really trained on the floor too much. I need 2 to 3 years. Or, the education, it's okay to go in before then. I haven't decided whether I'm going in there, but this is where I'm giving myself. If I go in before 2023, then that's okay. I mean, it's okay, but still, I may not even if I got the education, I didn't feel, I want to start that job. It's very crowded, but I'm remembering it is a master's, so it will open up doors to possibly teach and continue to review my skills as a nurse. So 2023, I want to continue to advance ER nurse. I want to maybe sit for the CEN. That CEN is something that I've been eyeballing to show that I'm skilled as an ER nurse, and I did my ER preceptorship, and a lot of the nurses had it, along with some other certifications, but that was one that stuck with me. By 2025, I'd like to have my master's in nursing, but that would be an FNP, and then by 2026, I sit for the FNP board certified exam. And this is something I like. And I've even already talked to doctors to say they might be out of the business, they might be out of nursing and out of medical, but I already talked to some and they said, oh, we'll hire you, but, you got to get it. And, so I'm able to talk to doctors. I think I could have a good collaboration, but this is a long time in the making at this point right now. So, I mean, even if it's sooner, I don't know if, education is one thing, but experience is another thing. And I really would like the experience. Even if I got the education earlier, I probably wouldn't run toward working just immediately. Study, I always study, so I'm going to continue to study. Enter a new job as an FNP by 2026. Explore new roles. I always dreamed of teaching and being behind there, teaching students online, not in person, really. I never really saw myself doing it in person as a lecturer, but more of an online professor. Explore some side business. There's a lot of things I want to do. Consulting, maybe open up a business. I don't know. I will explore this, and I will continue to explore it. Something I, need to do. And watch for burnout by then as well. I'm going to explore some doctoral programs, and I'm going to enter a doctoral program. It's a dream. So it's practically a dream. Reevaluate my theoretical framework by then. 2027, continue to work as an FNP, explore some roles of leadership, maintain graduate school, healthy lifestyle, family unit, continue to be active, nursing organizations and journals, maybe even get published. 2027, start a dissertation in health policy or disparate communities. So, also be a leader in nursing. Hopefully be a strong leader and receive my DNP. I don't know what university it will be. I picked all those universities, but I don't know. I don't, whatever I could get, scholarships or something. Again, teach online, publish a peer-reviewed work, offer consultation services, and again, reevaluate this. Go back to, am I doing my self-care? Am I helping? What am I contributing to nursing? And continue a leadership role. And continue any teaching jobs that I might have. Just continue to better myself for the next 10 years. I really think that would be good for me. Well, thank you.